Greetings from Power Distribution Engineering Ltd., or PDEL. Since 2010, we have been at the forefront of manufacturing transformers and electrical substation equipment, proudly serving the needs of our clients across Bangladesh. At PDEL, we specialize in a wide range of products, including power and distribution transformers, both oil and dry types. Our expertise extends to high-tension and low-tension switchgear, including vacuum circuit breakers and load break switches. We also design and manufacture power factor improvement plants and busbar trunking systems, ensuring efficiency and reliability in every installation. Our commitment to innovation doesn't stop there. We provide cutting-edge solar systems and voltage stabilizers, along with online UPS solutions and distribution boards that cater to various applications. Our skilled team is dedicated to handling every aspect of the process, from manufacturing and assembling to supply, installation, testing, and commissioning. Whether it's for industrial, commercial, or residential sectors, we take pride in delivering quality and reliability. Trusted by leading industries across Bangladesh, PDEL is your go-to partner for all power distribution needs. Join us in powering the future. Reach out to PDEL today and discover how we can support your energy solutions.